ready na sila, guys.
Hi guys! For today's video guys, ay nakikita nyo na po guys na papunta na ng youth camp ang ating mga young people. So that time guys is 12:30 na guys nang dumating yung kanilang sasakyan or ang kanilang service papuntang Baguio. But anyway guys, yan, nagpe-prepare na sila. Sobrang nakakainggit at sarap sumama. But anyway, ayun na nga guys, I'm so happy for them that they can able to come to the youth camp and I know they gonna be blessed there. So anyway, first of all, I just wanna say thank you for those people who've been helping them, especially to the two person that they just been even though they're so far, but they just still helping the young people. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Michael and Bruce. And of course, thank you also to David and Kuya John Rio for helping them. God bless everyone, of course. Sister Beb, thank you so much for your help. And for those people who just give to their solicitation, guys, thank you and God bless you more. At si God na po ang bahala magbalik sa inyo ng siksik, liglig at umaapaw na blessing. Guys, hindi ko na isa-isahin yung mga nagbigay, but you know who you are. So guys, alam niyo kung sino kayo. So thank you very much guys. And anyway guys, ito guys, binigay ko na yung mga budget ng mga bata or ng mga young people sa aming motherette, Sister April or si Dayday. Siya yung maghahawak ng budget nila guys, kasi nga siya yung kasama nilang mag-a-assist sa kanila. And of course, syempre nandiyan din ang aming Pastor Amor. But anyway, na-explain ko lang yung mga dapat nila or yung mga budget guys, kasi binukod ko yung budget sa bahay, sa service, sa crush it nila. So ayan, of course, dapat hindi makalimutan mag-pray bago umalis. So nagpipray na sila guys before they go, and of course, lead by our Pastor Amor Pasqua.
Pastor, saan po kayo? Sa harap o sa likod na lang po?
Dito, pastor.
Lumabas ka dyan. Bakit? Dito ka sa akin sa tumabi.
Harap ka daw guys.
Doon tayong dalawa sa harap.
Harap daw kayo dad.
Kuya, kasya yan, no? Uy! Tumabi ka kay Tita Kulot.
Pa! Sige pa, ingat po, Pastor. Sige po. Kuya, may bibigay lang po ako. Yan yung big.
May ayuda! Ayuda!
Alex!
Kay Madam!
Bosbon! Maika!
Sanaan! May ayuda!
May kulot! Hera!
Say thank you, guys!
Ano kayo?
Thank you, guys.
Dalawa, tag-300 kayo.
Say thank you, guys!
Maika! Saan ka na ba? Maika!
Say thank you, Mike!
Thank you!
Hindi na kasi dyan.
Dito ka,
Okay, sakay na.
Kasya ba dito ka?
Dito kayo ko!
Doon ako sa tabi ni Kala.
Sa tabing bintana si Hershey.
Space ko daw. Tag 500 yun. Pa!
Ay, kasi baka tumawag si Mayor sa akin sa bukas. Sisikan na sa likod.
Ay, bakit? Maluwag dito eh. Maluwag pa lang dito. Sheng, tumabi ka na lang dito kay Kuya JB, oh. Maluwag pa naman dito eh.
Apo. Si ano na lang dito. Maika. Ay, hindi. Dito ka na lang. Mahihirapan kayo din mamaya. Maipit si Hershey.
Pahawak mo dun kay Kulot.
Pawak mo ate Maika.
O, yun sana.
Ay, nabigyan ko lang pala si Hershey. Si ano, kayong dalawa nila tayo.
Ayuda. Thank you. May pa-ayuda si Madam.
Pagkain ko.
Mamaya.
Parang alayo nyo naman. Bye, guys.
Kuya, tara. Nilagay niyo na? Dapat ikaw sa gitna eh. Kawawa si Dayday oh. Dad! Ayun. Bye guys! Sigaw-sigaw pa. Ano yung kabayo ito? Ay! Ba't may kabayo dyan? Kulat! Kulat! Kulatin! Si ate na!
And here you go. Finally, they made it, guys. And they arrived early than expected. At ayun na nga, dahil 8 in the morning pa, that they can allow to go inside and then transit. So, they just go around to the Burnham, I don't know, basta, yun na yun. And ayan guys, nakapag-decide sila na mag-rides muna or mag-happy muna. Kasi nga, first day nila is, they're gonna start their lecture or devotion at 11 in the afternoon. So, they have a lot of time to go somewhere and of course enjoy the place. But anyway, I'm really happy that seeing them that they are so enjoying and they're so happy. I really feel how happy they are. Oh my gosh. Actually, I really miss this place because the last time I've been there is 2005, and that's how. It's been a long time ago actually, and I just wishing that hopefully that I can visit the Baguio City again. English. Sorry na guys, nag-English ako para maintindihan guys ng aking asawa kasi nga gusto niya rin mapanood tong vlog na to. So, pagpasensya na sa aking English Carabao, okay? Don't bashing. Just love. Actually, this is the one that I've been looking forward to do the vlog because they've been waiting for this moment for so long and they really do their best to get there at ayun na nga, ang hirap mag-English mga be. But anyway guys, I'm so happy na nakarating sila doon at abangan nyo more vlogs to go for this camp meeting to 2024. And again, disclaimer lang mga kapatid, kagaya na sinabi ko, I'm not really good in English and I just doing this because my husband wanted to understand doing this video guys. So hopefully that don't bash me guys because of this, okay? My English is so limited only. Oh no. Anyway, the camp meeting would be take like 3 days, so hopefully that I can able to come also by Friday. But anyway, I'm not sure yet that I'm not sure about that yet. And but anyway guys, let's finish this vlog and I hope you enjoy. And anyway, once again, I really want to say thank you for all the people that who helping us, especially the time that we're selling a snack or merienda for this young people event. And hopefully that you continue to support us by this video anyway, watching this video guys and share. And anyway, for those people who just helping the young people that doesn't want to mention their name, thank you very much. And for all the people that gave in the solicitation, God bless you all. Bye!
Hi, Fruits and Clear Michael. Thank you so much for helping us. God bless and we love you.
3,
Okay, go.
Hi po sa nag-sponsor ng jacket. Thank you so much po. God bless!
Hi ka, JB, kaya no? JB, hi ka.
Ano ba ito? Hello.
Ano yan? Kulats. Gang, gang. Yung sabaw, yung ano ha?
Paano kumain ng isang niyan na?